Hey there, happy Tuesday to you. I am meteorologist Leah Pizzetti, and let's take a look on the forecast in Western Washington. I want to talk about a couple different things because we have a lot going on in the forecast. First of all, snowpack. I want to hit our snowpack in just a few minutes, but we are hurting. And while changes are in the forecast this week, we're not expecting too much in the form of snow. So I want to address that. Plus, what do you notice in the sky? This Mount Rainier camera on this Tuesday is showing cloud cover. Yes, that is a sign of the changes that are on the way in Washington. We have rain moving in. It's been a while since we said that. So the cloudy skies are all the way from the mountains to the coast. Here is a view from Westport on this Tuesday. We're also looking at widespread clouds, and that is going to be the big theme of the day. Is those clouds are going to roll in today. That's a sign of the rain that's coming in tonight. This is going to break our dry spell, and with it comes warmer temperatures as well. In fact, above average temperatures by the end of this work week. And with those warmer temperatures as well, we're going to increase our snow levels. So yes, that's bad news for our snowpack. We are hurting in our snowpack. Many areas are less than 50% of where we should be for this time of the year, and I'm not seeing much in the way of significant mountain snow heading our way, even though we have rain that's moving in. And typically this time of the year we see rain in the lowlands. That means snow in the mountains. But what we're seeing here is as this rain pushes in, we're seeing the precipitation coming from the southwest, and that tends to be warmer, more of an atmospheric river event. I want to see it coming from the northwest, from the Gulf of Alaska. That brings that colder air, and that is what we need as of right now. But that's not the case. Rounds of rain are coming in. Look at this. That is a pretty clear atmospheric river, even though it's very weak in nature. It's not bringing necessarily heavy rain. It's the temperatures that I'm watching with this one, and that's going to keep snow levels on the higher side. So what I want to see is snow levels down to about 2,000 feet, because that would include Snoqualmie Pass, our lowest pass at 3,000 feet. But unfortunately, the lowest we're going to get is 4,000 feet. That does happen tomorrow, and we could pick up a couple inches of snow for those areas above 4,000 feet for tomorrow. But then we're going to increase our snow levels, getting up to about 5,000 to 6,000 feet by the end of this week. So what that means is only our highest elevations are going to tap into that snow. I want it a lot lower than that to help build our snowpack, because we are certainly hurting. As we take a look forward into today, though, we're staying dry. The rain is not here quite yet. So we're going to see cloud cover throughout the day. We will see the sun try to peek out at times. Some sun breaks are mixed in as well. Temperatures will spend most of the day in the 40s for our Tuesday. Highs for the day will be right around 50 degrees, upper 40s into the low 50s for a good chunk of Western Washington. That's not far off from normal for this time of the year. We have been keeping an eye on this dry spell. As of yesterday, Monday marked 14 straight days of no rain at SeaTac, our official gauge. The record for dry spell, that's no measurable rain, 1/100th of an inch of rain, is 15 days set in 1963. So if we go today with no rain, we will tie that record. But rain does look like it's going to move in later on tonight. This is 10 p.m. We could sneak a light shower, and all we need is 1/100th of an inch, and that means we will not tie the record. Into tomorrow, we're going to keep those showers rolling through. This is tomorrow afternoon. It increases into the evening. The heaviest rain is going to be along the coast, little bit of snow in the mountains, and then we're going to see those snow levels increasing. Those rounds of rain continuing into Thursday, into Friday as well. So this wet pattern is back after an extended dry spell. Look at those temperatures. After a weekend where our lows were in the teens and 20s, our lows are back in the mid 40s and our highs are in the mid 50s.